The overall goal of this procedure is to prevent honeybee colonization of bird nest boxes by using insect repellent in the bird nest boxes and a pheromone lure in the swarm trap boxes.
This method can help solve the conservation issue of Africanized honeybee hybrids competing for cavities with cavity nesting birds.
The main advantages of this technique are that it's safe for the birds, deters honeybees without the need to kill entire colonies or swarms, and deters blood-feeding ectoparasites. We first had the idea for this method when we had to deal with an Africanized honeybee colony in a screech owl nest box here in South Florida.
Visual demonstration of this method is critical, as the implementation of this procedure varies according to the environmental and bee colony circumstances.
Before placing the swarm trap box, add 1 milliliter of a 2-to-1 mixture of citral and geraniol into a 1.5 milliliter snap-top polypropylene microcentrifugation tube, and wrap the tube in aluminum foil to protect the lure from light. Then, store the lure in a dark place at room temperature. To install the swarm trap on a post, fix a 9 by 9 centimeter pressure-treated 2.4 meter long post into the ground, 10 to 15 meters from where the bird nest box is located. Next, use at least 2 screws to secure a 1.3 centimeter thick 20 by 20 centimeter pressure-treated wooden hanging board in the middle of one side of the trap box, with the top of the board set 10 centimeters above the top of the box. Then, place a screw approximately 5 centimeters below where the top of the hanging board will